Social media is definitely starting to become more and more popular in today's society. It definitely has a ton of different positives to it. Just in communicating with others around the world that we might not be that close to and that we have long distance relationships with, it can be very helpful. But at the same time, social media can create a lot of negative aspects. One of these negative defining factors are just communication online and relationships online. Sometimes in younger adults or even older adults, just some unhealthy relationships can be built through social media, as well as communication just sometimes doesn't get across in the way that it should, which creates more and more problems than it really should. So it's just important to always remember that when using social media, you're being very intentional and just trying to use it in the most positive way.